Hi all, welcome to MTG Cards and Reviews. My name is Chris, and today we're going to open up some packs here though. We're going to open up 3 of these Zendikar Rising packs that I got. And then we'll move on and we'll open up some more packs. Thanks for joining. Let's get to cracking. We'll see what we've got here in these draft boosters though. Hope you guys are having a great day. And, you know, this is basically just the beginning of December, and these packs are going to be apparently a little tougher to get open though. Alright. Nope. They are not going to... There we go. I was going to say they're not going to cooperate, but apparently they will cooperate to some extent. Alright. Now, that's our... There is a full art island. Excellent. And there is our rare Maul of the Skyclaves. Okay. Sigera Shelter. Acquisition Expert. Whirling Regrowth. Nimon Skitter's Sneak. Okay, we got an Adherent Electromancer. Highborn Vampire. Yeah, could be added to the Vampire Club. Alright. Broken Wings. Not what you want if you're flying to have happen. A Mesa Linux, I should say. Strength of Solidarity. Fire Outrider. Prowling Felidar. Oh, we got a little showcase going on here. The Skyclave Squid, and then Royal Eruption. Alright, let's move on to our next pack. So, by the time this video goes up, I'm going to go ahead and actually post it here. Probably shortly after you guys have seen basically a package I received from basically MTG Attitude, aka Big Box Dave. He sent that over though after I left a comment though that left him basically cracking up, laughing though at the comment and what took place. I do have basically I have a video that was posted with 3 subs that I did a random giveaway for. One of those subs has reached out to me. The other 2 at this point have not. So quick stop here though. I'm going to go ahead and just mention this here. Nathan Hill and Editor J. You 2 have won though. And hopefully you will, or somebody who sees this video will, who maybe knows how to get in touch with you, let you know that you won. Check out the video when you won, and get me your mailing information so I can get those mailed out to you here. Alright, now just on a side note, we will probably do another random giveaway here at some point though as well. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Alright, well, we know that that is going to be a token or a card. We're going to go ahead and do that, and we've got the Merfolk Falconeer, Ravenger's Mace, Spare Supplies, Ghastly Gloom Hunter, Maurus Brute, Expedition Healer. And we've got the Turk Rubble Fort. Okay. Oh, it's a wall. Okay. Walls were quite useful back in the day, though. Might of Mercis. Sizzling Barrage. Cleric of Chill Depths. And then we've got a Deadly Alliance. And we've got our land card, which is going to be a Mountaineer. Oh boy, me. Oh boy. Looks like we got a Mythic, and looks like it's going to be in foil. So let's see. We've got the Seagate Stormcaller and a Mythic foil. Alright, excellent. Nice foil there. I don't know what it's worth though, but hey, I'm sure it's well, whether it's worth anything or not, it is pretty cool that it's in foil though, and a Mythic out of the draft pack. Put that over there. We got a Soul Shatterer, and then a Spike Felled Hazard, and that's it. Okay. We're gonna zoom back out just a little bit here. And we're gonna go ahead and open up the last pack. Zendikar Rising that I've got here. Pick these up at the local GameStop or game store. Local LGS store though. Trying to basically do something to help out local game shop. Okay, alright, so well, looks like we'll get a Shadow Stinger here. And Journey into Oblivion. Interesting. Okay. Madakar Blood Priest. We've got Drainus Silence. Spare Supplies again. Yeah. We got our Tukruk Rubble Fort, which is our wall. You know what? Actually, I think that's a Tuk Rubble Fort. Okay. So, two of those already. Reclaim the Waste. Another Mesa Lynx. Cleric of Chill Depths. This is beginning to feel awfully like the other pack that we opened here. Molten Blast. Cunning Geyser Mage. Tormenting Voice. Yeah. Yep. Looks very intimidating. Alright. Now, got our junk card. And got a Full Art Island. And a rare. Lotus Cobra. And then the Manicheed Stampede. Alright. Well, hey, thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment though, and ring the bell for notifications. At least if you hit it though, it might remind you about new videos that pop though. Apparently there's some issues with it, I have heard though. So anyway, thanks for joining guys. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Out. Have a great day guys.